How to fix TikTok CapCut template not showing. Hello guys, so welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks, and then you have to go into the airplane mode right here, enable it, and then you have to wait a few seconds and disable it again. After that, you have to go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go to the search bar here in the top, search for TikTok, and then click on this update option. After you update your TikTok app, now the CapCut feature is gonna be there for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.